Hello guys, I am way back with my new video of Creative Jumbo. Welcome to our channel. Here we are going to tell you about Creative Jumbo channel. Stay updated with it. I am Abhishek Mishra and now I will tell you what we will do in this channel. Basically, we will discuss about something new and creative. We will get the tips and tricks about technology related things and physics, like we will provide you physics some tips, and we will also provide you some chemistry formulas and also some mathematic tips, and by that you can do something amazing. And overall the main topic of about it will be our Facebook and social media and everything related to the technology. We will also provide the social media facts to you all. So thanks you guys for watching the video, and please like the video, comment on this video, and please share and like the video how much you can do. Please like and share the video and subscribe our channel right now. Thank you guys for watching the video. Stay updated with Creative Jumbo by Abhishek Mishra. Thank you guys.